name is Selena Hardaway, School of B, class of 1999.
Yeah.
Howard. Okay, so my question is, I was telling Moscow Mitch that yes, America has passed laws. We passed the 14th Amendment, but my grandfather was chased out of Georgia. The farmland that we had since slavery was stolen from us. My great uncle Isaac Woodard was beaten blind by South Carolina police in 1946. I am forced to represent Autistic American who cannot read and write due to a disability in the district court, and I'm in contempt of court for recording the judge abusing her and putting it on YouTube in 2 weeks after a hearing. So my thing is, why don't we have, instead of having everybody get a small check, why don't we invest that money in HUs or civil rights centers so every African American can have access to justice? Because there's no point of passing laws if we do not have access to those laws or enforcement.
Absolutely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sister. And that's why I'm one of those that thinks it's ineffective to just have individual checks go to individual people. That's not making impact. Besides the problems of trying to figure out, okay, who in your family were slaves and all that. That to me, that's a losing argument.
Right.
It's about putting wealth into Black impoverished communities.
Can I say one quick thing on that? One thing that you raised was very interesting. We believe that we have fundamental rights, human rights to health care, to access to education, to access to a quality of life that allows us to have healthy food and diets. In America, that access only comes about with wealth. You have to pay for your health care. You have to pay for the highest quality education. That's a problem. So it is true that another vision of reparation could be the fulfillment of our rights as human beings. Not necessarily something that's dependent on a certain check coming to us. And that's when we talk about structural investments, that's what that could mean.